Today I will show you how to change file name format on SONY ZV-1 Mark II. To start, open menu. Then choose Home and Main 2. Then pick this icon and choose File Name Format. Here you can change it to title, date and title, title and date, or standard. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.